Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen, and today I'm bringing you guys 5 different farmhouse DIYs. So excited about these. As always, I'm always excited about showing you guys cheap, simple, inexpensive, easy DIYs, and that is what I'm gonna be doing for you. And if you guys wait till the end of the video, I'm gonna be showing you guys 2 different bonus DIYs you can make with a Cricut, and I'm so excited to show you guys those, so let's go. Before I get started, I do want to thank Cricut for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over the Cricut Air Explorer 2 in the 9x9 Cricut Easy Press. The Cricut Explorer machine cuts everything from cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, glittery paper, polished foils, and bonded fabric. Cricut machines also handle pens to draw shapes and calligraphy type text. The wireless convenience, you can connect your computer or Bluetooth mobile device. You can also work offline and download images without using the internet. You can use the fast mode up to speeds up to 2 times faster for cutting and writing. There is also 50 ready to make projects. You can also upload your own fonts and designs. For this first DIY, I'm using this black vinyl from Cricut, and I am not going into a long drawn out tutorial because this is actually the first time I've used a Cricut machine. So this says Fresh Farm Milk. I actually made this cute little decal. I found the font and the cow in the Cricut design space. And then I'm just going to take the weeding tool and weed all of the little excess vinyl that you are not going to need for your decal. This is from Dollar Tree, and the little middle just kind of popped right off. It was really crooked anyway, so I was kind of glad it just came off really easy. And then I'm just using the Waverly chalk paint in white, and I am going to paint this square white, obviously. And I did end up using 3 coats of this Waverly chalk paint. I love it because it dries really fast, so you're able to do these DIYs within an hour or less. And then now I'm just taking my transfer tape and smoothing out all the air bubbles, and then I'm just going to be taking it off the liner. And this is such a satisfying, this is my favorite part about using a Cricut, is that this is just the most satisfying thing. So you're going to smooth it out once again, and this is just kind of helping the vinyl stay onto the piece that you want it to stay on. Makes any sense? And then I'm just removing the transfer tape. Taking some hot glue. I am using an Arrow glue gun. I know so many people ask what I use. And then I'm just placing it right on the center. And this was such a super, super easy DIY to do. And if you're a beginner like I am with this, I definitely would just take it one step at a time, make something simple and be proud of it, because I absolutely love the way this turned out. And for not being super familiar with the Cricut design space and the Cricut machine, it is very easy and simple to just make a cute little vinyl decal and add it to any kind of decor piece that you have in your house. The next DIY, I'm just using this canvas from Burlap Fabric and this Farm Fresh Bacon. I just printed this off with the Strong Bond iron-on. And this is the Easy Press. It is a 9x9. I love that it has the temperature and the time. So it has a nice little timer for you, which I absolutely love that. And all I did was set it to 340 for 30 seconds, and then I just laid it on and started peeling this off once it was cooled down. Cricut also has a heat guide, so it tells you the temperature, how long you set the Easy Press on, and it lets you pick what kind of iron-on you're using along with what you are ironing on. So I was going to make a pillow, which if you can see what I'm using right now, it is a canvas with laminate on the back. And I had a good solid feeling this wasn't going to work, but I wanted to just try it out anyways. I love using the spiderweb stuffing to make pillows because it's so cheap, and if you get it after Halloween, it's like under 10 cents. So the pillow thing didn't work, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to make a bag because I already have it halfway put together. The top is open. So I just cut some strips with my rotary blade, and I hot glued the strips on the top. So one on one side, and then I flipped the bag over and did the same thing to the other side. And this turned out way more better than I could have ever imagined. I absolutely love this. I think it is so cute, and you can hang it wherever you want. I really want like a nice little entryway, and I can like hang it with like a cute hat or a wreath or something, but this is what it looks like, and I am so happy. I just had some greenery and some flowers from Walmart that were 98 cents, and I just put them right in the top. But this was so inexpensive to make, especially since I already had everything for this. I love shopping my craft room because there's so many things that you can find that you don't use. So this next one is just another vinyl decal. I love starting out, like I said, this is kind of like a beginner course, yet not a beginner course because like I said, I am new to the Cricut, so I am not the person to be giving out tutorials, but making little vinyl decals is the easiest thing to start with. And I just put this right on a cute little galvanized bucket. This was from the Dollar Tree, and how cute is this? I love making home decor for super inexpensive. I used to shop at stores all the time and buy new decor and would spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and it is so unnecessary. I think it's definitely worth the money, and the value is incredible just because, like I said, I have made so much home decor with the Cricut, and I would have spent way more money buying new home decor all the time, every season, every holiday, just because I wanted to go shopping and I was bored. And yeah, like I said, I really think this is a good, awesome machine, especially if you love changing up your home decor like I do. So this tray is from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using the Waverly chalk paint in moss, and I'm just going to paint over this. This only took one coat, which I was so surprised because there's so much red in colors, but I love the chalk paint because you don't need that many coats and it dries super easy. And for this, I made another decal. It says, "I love you, a bushel and a peck." I think that is so cute. And I used the white vinyl this time, put the transfer tape over the top, and I just used my weeding tool because I couldn't get a little corner piece up. I do not have nails, unfortunately, so that just doesn't work out for me. But this is super cute. You could use this as a tray. I actually kind of have it standing up right now, that I am actually using it just as a decor piece, like behind a shelf. I just think it looks really pretty that way. I thought this was kind of plain, so I did get out my black paint by Arteza and just painted the edges. My hands are very shaky, so I have a really hard time doing this. And I kind of messed up in a couple spots, so I thought that I would just give it an enamel look, and I just love the way this turned out. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. I love this so much. I love all these Farmhouse decor pieces. I'm so excited to have new home decor in my home, and I just absolutely love this one. This little house, I've already done a makeover, and now I'm going to give it a second makeover. This was a thrift store find, and right now I am just going to be painting the house with this elephant color by Waverly. And like I said, it's just a little tiny makeover. I wanted something new. I wasn't really using this anyways. I printed out one more vinyl decal. This one is, I just love this one. I'm from Michigan, obviously, so that's why I did this. The Cricut Design Space has tons, every state possible, with really cute decals like this. I was so excited to find things like this. They had like 3 other ones, but this was just my favorite. This is the one I wanted to use. And then that is all I did for this one. I ended up putting it back together, and that's it for this one. That was it. Like I said, these are so simple and so easy. These right here are just my bonus ideas. I'm just using the holographic iron-on from Cricut as well. And then I just picked up 2 black shirts, and I'm just using the Easy Press, and I want to make t-shirts for my girls. Their names are Presley and Scarlett, and they are the kids that are not going to get the personalized things unless you make them yourselves. You can't get the keychains or the cups or the mugs when you go on vacations because their names just are a little bit different, and Scarlett's name is usually spelled with 2 T's. Well, I didn't spell her name with 2 T's, so she has no chance to get anything like with her name on it. So I'm really excited that I have this, so I am able to personalize and make them their own shirts, keychains, wallets, bags, whatever I can come up with. But I absolutely love that I'm able to personalize them. And then here are some pictures of them wearing the shirts. They are so stinking cute. I also made these as well using the Iron On by Cricut. And I used the glitter iron on and then just the regular iron on. And the glitter was kind of tricky, and like I said, that's why this is not a tutorial, because I am just learning as well. But I was so excited I was able to put these canvas bags together as well with their names on them. And I just thought that since summer is here, that I would just put some cute little bags together for the girls. I picked some things up at Dollar Tree and just some fun stuff that we can do at home. Alright you guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And if you do want to check out Cricut, I will leave their links in the description box below so you guys can check that out and make some super fun stuff like I did. Alright, but that's it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!